Wednesday morning, South Florida. I'm Eric Yutzi.
I'm JC Birch. It is the day after those all-important midterm elections. We'll have the results from all the big races throughout the morning right here on Local 10.
But first, we are tracking Nicole, now strengthening to a tropical storm on its way to becoming a hurricane before hitting Florida's coast.
We have live team coverage with crews spread out all throughout South Florida. You see that right here. But before we get to our reporters, let's start off with our weather certified meteorologist Julie Durda in the Weather Authority Center.
And you know, we need our reporters out there to show you what I bring you in a graphic so you can actually see and feel the effects of the system. Because when I show you these graphics, you don't quite understand the impacts that we're actually going to feel here in South Florida. So I'm excited to get out to our reporters, especially once we have the sunrise in the next 30 minutes. The main focus right now is that Tropical Storm Nicole is spinning over the Western Atlantic about 90 miles east of Great Abaco Island. We've already noticed with some buoy data out there, they are dealing with tropical storm force wind gusts and even stronger across parts of the Western Atlantic and towards parts of the Bahamas. So the 4 a.m. advisory has winds of 70 miles per hour, moving west-southwest at 13 miles per hour. The forecast projected path still has the system making landfall as a possible Category 1 hurricane, strong tropical storm just north of West Palm Beach. But again, just like I mentioned yesterday, I don't want you to focus so much on the center of this projected path because you can see how large the system is. We have tropical storm force wind gust extending out from the center over 380 miles. So take a look. We have a wind gust right now just north of the system of 51 miles per hour. We have a wind gust right now 49 miles per hour. That's well to the north of the system and well displaced from the center. And what's going to happen is as the system continues to progress west, we will notice that those winds will start to pick up for us here in South Florida. So by this around 11 o'clock, we are noticing that our winds will already start to be gusting anywhere between 39 to 57 miles per hour in parts of northern Miami-Dade, Broward County, and obviously West Palm Beach, all the way up to northern Florida. Isn't that incredible that the system is over the northern Bahamas? It hasn't made landfall, but our friends in northern Florida could have the possibility of tropical storm force wind gust already. Our forecast continues to deteriorate and our winds continue to get stronger as the system makes landfall sometime tonight into tomorrow. So our wind will continue to get stronger as we go into the next few hours, and therefore we have that hurricane watch in effect for Broward County, tropical storm warning as well, tropical storm watch for Miami-Dade southward. We're also very concerned about our coastal areas. That's why we have our reporters out there. Storm surge expecting. We are expecting king tides just after 8 a.m. We'll take a look at what's going on live right now.